breaking news updates coming in. We have a fresh development wherein Punjab's Mohali, a multi-story building has collapsed and many are feared trapped inside. Now, we are also coming to know, viewers, according to the updates, that around one person, I repeat, around one person has unfortunately lost their life. Viewers, district authorities have launched a rescue operation. 2 excavators have been pressed into service as part of the operation. A fire brigade team is also present at the spot. All right, so this is what we're learning of right now. And I just want to go across to my colleague who's on the ground. He is in Mohali getting us the top updates. Building collapse in Mohali. Lalit, I'm coming across to you. If you could take our viewers through and show us more about how is the rescue and relief operation going on right now, the status of it, and also tell us about, do we know what really caused this unfortunate incident where one person has lost their life? Lalit.
Well, Shivangi, if we talk about this whole incident, this tragic incident, yesterday around 5 p.m., a multi-story building in Mohali near Sohana, it collapsed. And as per the inputs of the local, a nearby digging was being done by which the foundation was somehow misled, and after that this whole tragic incident took place in the Mohali area, and the whole building collapsed like the pair of cards. And if you talk about, it's been more than 12 hours now, the rescue operation is going on war footing. The Indian Army is trying to evacuate the persons who have been somehow trapped under the debris and rubble. And if we talk about in the past 12 hours, a girl of age 20 years who has been a native of Himachal Pradesh, Theog area, she's come to the injuries. So from the past 12 hours, here the rescue operation is going on war footing, and as per the inputs of the local, it has been said that around 4 to 5 people have been trapped inside the debris. So still from the past 12 hours, the evacuation from the Indian Army is being done. The NDRF teams, the JCB machines, the government machinery and the administration here is completely working here. Let me show you the visuals also from here, where you can see that the work of evacuation is being done from the past 12 hours. But if you talk about under this misery and under this tragic incident which took place, just a girl has been found who's come to her injury. So still the evacuation process is being done here in the Mohali, where the NDRF team and the Indian Army is doing the evacuation. Back to the studio, Shivangi.
All right, thank you for joining us, Lalit, with all those details. I will be coming back to you because we will be getting more updates for our viewers as you keep reporting for us from the ground. All right, let's move ahead and we will tell you a little bit more about what happened. As Lalit is getting us those updates, here's a report where we highlight this story, the top pictures coming in, and also what exactly happened in Mohali when a multi-story building had collapsed. And like our colleague Lalit was telling us, the NDRF and the Indian Army are pressed into action. They are helping with the relief and rescue operations, and the owners of this building have been booked. Let's have a look at this report as we get to the top updates.
In a tragic incident in Punjab's Mohali, several people are feared trapped after a multi-story building collapsed. The building collapsed during excavation work being carried out in the basement of the adjacent building. As per the officials, the gym was operating on all 3 floors of the building that was collapsed. Mohali police have booked the building owners Parvinder Singh and Gagandeep Singh under section 105 of BNS at Sohana police station. It is believed that 7 to 8 people might be trapped under the debris. Several teams of NDRF, police and district administration were carrying out rescue and relief operations on the site of the accident, and medical teams are on standby.
रेस्क्यू स्टार्ट किए नियर अबाउट 1.5 से 2 घंटे हो गए। तो एनडीआरएफ की टीम को 7 एनडीआरएफ टीम को एक विक्टिम को हमने रिकवर कर लिया है सर, जो फीमेल गर्ल्स है सर, जिसकी उम्र नियर अबाउट 22 साल सर हमें लगती है अकॉर्डिंग टू सर। ये तो सर डॉक्टर साहब इस तरह इसको कंफर्म करेंगे सर। तो हमने उसको एडवांस ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हॉस्पिटल सर उनको रेफर कर दिया है सर। ज्यादातर हमें फिजिकल वर्क करना पड़ेगा सर टीम को, एंड इक्विपमेंट्स का यूज कर रहे हैं सर, अपने हाइड्रोलिक जैक का कर रहे हैं, कटर इक्विपमेंट्स का कर रहे हैं सर।
Indian Army personnel too had to join the rescue operations. A fire brigade team also reached the spot. A local resident said that a loud noise was heard when the building collapsed. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann expressed grief and said that the action will be taken against the culprits behind this incident.
ऐसा पता लगा है कि यहाँ कोई एक जिम था जिसमें कुछ नौजवान जरूर वर्जिश के लिए आते थे। एग्जैक्ट अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हो पाया कितने लोग थे नहीं थे, और परमात्मा के आगे अरदास करते हैं कि किसी की जान ना जाए। और पूरा प्रशासन खुद लगा हुआ, रेस्क्यू टीमें भी लगी हुई हैं, एनडीआरएफ को भी सूचित किया हुआ है।
Operations are underway to rescue people who are trapped under the debris.